Are you looking to seamlessly connect your scheduling with your project workflow? Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. By the end of this video, you'll be able to automatically sync important dates, meetings, and events between your favorite calendar and your team's boards, making collaboration smoother and deadlines easier to track. Let's jump straight in. Before we begin, just make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a Monday.com account with an integration plan. So that's either Standard, Pro, or Enterprise. You also need access to a Google account with Google Calendar enabled. Most people already have this covered if you use Gmail. And finally, make sure your Monday.com board is set up with both a date column and a people column. The date column tracks when things are happening, and the people column links tasks to specific team members. These two will be key for the integration. All right, let's dive into the actual setup. First, head to the Monday.com board that you want to connect with your calendar. In the top right corner, you'll notice an Integrate button. That's your gateway to automating your workflow. Give it a click. This opens the Integration Center, where you can browse all the different apps Monday.com connects with. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and select it from the results by clicking its logo. If you've ever connected apps before, this part will feel familiar, but if not, it's really straightforward. Now, here's where Monday.com makes things nice and flexible for different teams. You'll see a list of pre-built automation recipes. Think of these as ready-made instructions for how the integration will work. For example, you could choose, when an item is created, create a calendar event in Google Calendar, perfect for tracking new tasks or meetings. There's, when a date is reached, create a calendar event, ideal for automatic reminders as deadlines approach. There are others too, like syncing when a status changes, or even creating Monday.com items from new calendar events. Take a moment to read through the options and pick the one that fits your workflow best. If you're unsure, you can always try one and adjust it later. Monday.com makes it easy to tweak your integrations. Once you've found your recipe, you need to connect your accounts. Click the Connect button right within the recipe window. A Google sign-in window will pop up. This is where you sign in and authorize Monday.com to access your calendar. It might feel a bit official with permission screens, but rest assured, it's just ensuring that only you and your team can sync the relevant data, not anything else. After you grant access, you're ready for the next step. Now comes the mapping. This is the part that tailors the integration to your workflow. The recipe will prompt you to choose which date column in your Monday.com board should sync with the event date in Google Calendar. This makes sure deadlines on your board instantly become calendar events, so nothing falls through the cracks. Next, choose which calendar in your Google account you want these events sent to. If you have separate calendars for work, projects, or personal reminders, pick the one people rely on most. You'll also get options to map details like event title, description, and attendees. So if you set up tasks with team descriptions or if certain people need to be included in invitations, make sure those columns sync too. Finally, it's time to activate the integration. Hit the Add to Board button, and you're done. From now on, your Monday.com board and Google Calendar will communicate automatically, keeping everyone looped in and on schedule. This setup can save you and your team tons of manual data entry and reduce the risk of missed deadlines or double bookings. And that's it. With your calendars and boards working hand in hand, you're set for streamlined collaboration. If you found this walkthrough useful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Drop your questions in the comments. I love helping out, and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.